First thing you're going to do is take this off. Take the little Allen key out so that you can take this off. Adjustable cam, and the batteries go in here. So we can take this off as well now. You twist it and pull it off, and then you should be able to pop this open, and that's where the batteries go. Alright, we're going to put that afterwards. So once you've taken your old cylinder out, you simply slide this one straight in. There we go, make sure you get it in the right spot. Now you put your cover back on. Just tighten back the Allen key in the slot where it goes. Now you want to put the retaining screw back in. So the batteries go in here. You've got the batteries in. Okay, you put it back in. You put that in there. You twist it back in. Alright, a tiny, tiny little screw. This is going to be fun on site. Alright. Alright.